Hello mga ka-Real Stalkers! Good afternoon sa inyo lahat. Tara, samahan ninyo ako sa lakad ko today. Ngayong araw na ito ay papunta po ako ng Riway office. Riway is an international company, is a Singaporean company po. Riway Manila ay located po dito sa 108 ground floor, 5 Eco Mall of Asia. Every Monday and Thursday po ay meron kaming isinasagawang meeting dito from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. onwards po. Mga ka-Real Stalkers, ito po ang aming first office dito sa 5 Econg ground floor. Ito po ang aming office. Dito namin dinadala ang aming clients or customers para po sa kanilang registration. Then, dyan din po namin pinipick up ang aming products po. By the way, mga ka-Real Stalkers, ang product po ng Riway International Company is stem cell sport here deer placenta po. Then, ito naman po ang aming second office. Dito namin ginagawa ang aming meeting ng every Monday and Thursday po. Meron kaming 3 parts na meetings na ginagawa dyan. First meetings po is leader sharings. Leader sharings po, sinishare po ng ating mga ka-leaders ang kanilang good experience about the company. Then, the second po, the OPP. OPP is Opportunity Product Presentation po. Diyan naman po ini-explain yung benefits ng ating products po na stem cells for here, deer placenta po. Then, the third naman po is yung testimonial ng ating mga user po. Kung ano yung kanilang pakiramdam after nilang gumamit ng stem cells.
Grabe. And then, yung business plan. Do you know that the business plan of Riway from day 1 up to now, hindi mo nagbago? Yes. Not even once na nagkaroon ng delay? Wala akong ganun.
Good afternoon! 8 years ago, when the product was presented to me. So, 8 years. So, at the time, I'm only 57 years old. No, so, 8 years, I'm now, so 57? Kasi reverse aging nga. Hindi pwedeng 65. Dapat, 56. Wow, diba? Diba? Do I look like 65?
No!
See? Well, nagsabi yes. Do I look like 65? No! Diba? Dahil yan sa puti.
Yes!
So, to our mentor, Loan Shen, for introducing or presenting Portier Placenta to me. Kasi kung iba ko ang nag-present, baka ma-question ako. No? But you see, our leader, when she went to the Philippines, akala niyo ba marami ito? Wala akong kilala si siya. See, she is brave enough.
Wala na, diba? But, because the product is really very good and our company is a bio-research company, that's why we have been expanding even in the European country. So tonight, I am not your speaker. I'm just your MC.